I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your address on Phemex, follow these simple steps to make the process quick and easy. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Phemex account using your credentials. This will give you access to your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select address information. In account settings, find the section labeled address or contact information. Click on it to view your current address details. Step 4. Update your address. Enter your new address in the provided fields. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Double check for typos, especially in the postal code. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving your new address, you may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and confirm the changes to ensure everything is updated correctly. Updating your address on Phemex is straightforward if you follow these steps. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy trading!